Soweto on C!
What up, YouTube? It's the main Luda S.O.S. Ipura Mnyawa and Tilipina Song Pura from Chabeni. Welcome to our YouTube channel, S.O.S Kids, guys. So, I'm back with another interview. Shine to Mengazo all day, every day, guys. So, we got a new member. It's now kwa channel yetu and usasebenza nathi yawo khotmani DM naso zasibethela sabethi collab yabo, feel me? So ke uku sabize khotmani because I'm about to interview him ngoku. Uzanixelela ngokwakhe ke ba ungubani, udume kantoni, yabo uza yonke into nizayiva pha kuye, guys, and then I'm also gonna ask him imibuzo, feel me? So khotmani, feel free to pull up that. Mucho, pura yam. Keren pura.
Yan sharp mana.
Ayan, pila pura yam. Yeah. So, please tell abantu taba ongubani, pumapi, tumengandoni, and why olapa today.
Okay, man, ngokamani welcome. Alamlela tingoz zizi ufakati ama halam listengo baken elapha ebeha ngenxa yemfundo nento yonke umnandi domingo ngezinto ezinintsi mara ke ndizoxela enye endisebenzelayo ndidume nge-content ku-TikTok.
Okay, khotmani. Content creator. Okay. So, okay. You know what the channel wakombo okay ndifuna collab na lamashita, like why ndole interesting iboneleyo, like through umsebenzi wethu thina abantu bale channel, like ndole interesting ngale channel.
Oh, okay. First of all, ndinibone ku-Facebook nishare umuntu endincokola naye ku-Facebook, so ndaqomba ke since like ndingumuntu interested kwi-acting, ngaqomba ke mandikhe ndincokole naye build kudala ndizama abantu apha ebeha ndikhe yenze i-acting nabo.
Okay, man. Cause wabona pagla la Soweto la saongela khomani, feel me? Saongela pura netile la kuko ezo pagla zabi thola ngiyazazi, guys. Ezo pagla zabuzi azangono kezia ka niyabathanda mosinani, yawo, you feel me? Niyabathanda selini Khotmani, my favorite two people kule channel yetu, you feel me? Yes.
Siyaphalisana kunjani mkhulu wami?
Shopre ngiyabona.
Mkhulu wami kuphongo lo lapha phambi kwakho umbonayo. Ndiphuma apha ekasi man nami. Siphilisana sonke noRodman apha ekasi la wena. Sure yamazi mos bathi ngumbumza ngumbumza. Yandazi mokhotman eziba ubonile ndiyakwamkela khotman yami. Sebenza kahle nawe. Ngisho usebenza kahle nawe.
Shopre.
Yeah, as you nibonile ke ba, yabona ke. See, this is my crew, guys. Beka khotmani ke ine voice ka Pastor Rhymes ba. Yes, la ya pesa la pura behind the cam. We don't make him hapo sutayo. Mr. Pastorito Easy. Yes. So that's I have a question for you, ne? I have questions for you. Like ikhotmani sizafaka kwephi story kanye singabanika abantu hint kanye kwenzeka ntoni kanye like yinto lesayenza kule collab yethu nekhotmani into le nicinga uba masiyenze nina
into esicingayo uba masebenzisane neRodmani ngokuba simfake khona le filimu kaBhongo noTampumza
shota
ingathi licebo lam uba masimfake kulo mana andiyazi mhlawumbi mina angavuma njani na.
okay khotmani as benibonile guys episode 1 ka coming from Joburg empty handed yawo I think uzofita pata yabo cause yabona mose hayi wayile lethe isibhaxa zethu yabo zimasterishile leyo uyibonile so I think how do you feel about uzongena phakathi kula film because the way it's comedical like comedy strictly so do you think you're comfortable enough ba mawusebenze through comedy?
Yeah, I think so because I'm so bonding because ukuhlekisa abantu also I'm able to ukuhlekisa abantu so I can fit in.
Yeah, so you can fit in that. Amayo hlekisa yonke leya hlekisa nathi hayi khona but I'm sure audience yethu so guys please tell nimthande uBhuda phofu nimthanda kakathi niyamazi from TikTok ne yeah you do TikTok. What's your TikTok handle da?
Your guy Queman.
Okay, Yoguy Queman. Okay, guys, do your thing. You can have followers and share yoga la way. Is a little yoga little yaboni to make ayo. As the viewers, you feel me? Yeah, guys. So, Khotman Tabumza. Oh, the one and only. Oh, my fair too. Yes. So, put am when I'm. Oh, how do you feel about this our collaborator net? Because I'm sure talo lang azilelo faka abantu faka more people so that into yethu ikhule yabo. How do you feel about finally ude wafika umuntu apha yabo so that sizocollaba naye?
Ya ndingathi ibhuda yam ndihappy kakhulu tayam happy kakhulu sifumene umuntu osijoyinileyo sizawusebenzisana naye sawubona mhlawumbi sawufumana amanye amathuba amaninzi kuyela phambili kho ndingako mana namagama amaninzi. Stay tuned kodwa nilindele ibhengers. Yes,
Stay tuned vile from the one and only Mbumza Bhura ene bonnet emnyama but ndimnyama ngala bonnet la way, you feel me? So I think ngoku guys lindelani nina episode 2 ka coming back from Joburg empty handed with a hot man in. We're not gonna give you a hint about what's gonna happen. We can't tell you because it's a surprise. You feel me? So a surprise, guys. But Nina is by Hotman Bichilo here. Stay tuned because it's about to go down even more. Sazunyiwa S.O.S. You feel me? Yeah, guys.